Hello everyone, welcome back to Decode with Harsha. Today's topic is about Python lists. Okay, so in this we are going to learn what is lists in Python using a real-time challenge. So that is the shopping cart challenge. We are going to fix, search and analyze the shopping cart. So let's get into our mission. So we are going to fix the cart, okay? So imagine that you are the developer of an online shopping app, so you have a cart given to you. Okay, so in Python, lists will be identified like this. So it will start with a opening brackets and end with a closing bracket like this, square brackets. Okay, and in between the elements will be separated by commas, and each and every element will be inside the inverted commas. Okay, so this is how the lists will be looking in Python. Okay, so and also you need to know what is the difference between lists and tuples. So my next topic will be about tuples. In that I will show you how that will look like. Okay, for now need to understand what is list. So list will be specified in Python using a square brackets. Okay, and each and every element will be separated by commas and elements in the inverted commas. Okay, so now here what we are going to solve. First thing is we need to identify the duplicate mouse. So here we have two mouse given, and next we need to identify the missing webcam. That means here in the cart we don't have webcam, correct? So we need to add webcam to the cart. Next, USB cable in wrong place. So USB cable is not yet taken, and USB cable has to be inserted somewhere in the cart. Okay, and we need to search and analyze the cart. So this is what we are going to do. So these are the methods which is used to solve a real shopping cart problem. Okay, so first method that we are going to use is append method. Append method is used to add to the end of the list. Okay, and insert method is used to add at a position. Okay, so if I use an append method, it will just add the element to the list. Okay, and also at the end, so it will not exactly add it to the position. But if I use insert method, it will exactly add the particular element at the position. Suppose if I want in the second place, I want say USB cable, means exactly at that point it will add. Okay, and similarly remove. So remove method is used to remove the value. Okay, and pop method is also used to remove, but it will return the item. So this is the difference between remove method and pop method. So remove method will remove the value, pop will remove the item and also show what is the item that is being removed. Okay, this is the difference. This is very important. And count is count duplicates. So if you wanted to identify how many mouses there available in the cart, you can use count method. Sort is to arrange the items in the list, and reverse is already it is to flip the list, that is to totally put the list upside down. Okay, so next is len. Len is, of course, you will be knowing, that is to count the items. Length method to identify how much items are there in the list. So these are all the methods that we are going to use. Okay, so first one, what we need to do is we need to add the product, correct? So I forgot my webcam. So using append method, I am adding the webcam to the list. Okay, to the cart. So cart is the name of my list, correct? Inside the cart thing only we are having all those elements, correct? So cart dot append of webcam. So what it will do, it will just add the webcam to the list, but it will not add to the exact position. It will just add it to the end of the list. Okay, so that is what they are coming to say. So we had this laptop, mouse and all, no? So at the end it will add the webcam. Next is put it in a position. Suppose USB cable, if I wanted to put it in position 2, I need to give card dot insert method. I will use so 2 comma USB cable. So in the second position, I need to insert USB cable. So hope now you understood what is the difference between append and insert. Append is just adding the webcam to the list, but at the end. But insert, what it is doing, it's specifying the position. So in second place, I need USB cable to be inserted. So this insert of position comma item. So this will specify exactly where I have to place my item. Next is remove one duplicate. So there are two mouse items there, correct? I need to remove one mouse from that. So cart dot remove of mouse. So what this will do is, now we have two mouse. Now we'll have a doubt. How come whether two mouse also will get removed? No. What it will do, it will find immediately when it finds the first mouse in the list, it will remove that only first mouse. Second mouse will be there exactly like that. Okay, it will not remove both the mouse. That you have to remember. Okay, so card dot remove of mouse will remove only the mouse which comes in the first occurrence. Okay, so it will not remove all the mouse. Fine. Next, we need to search the cart. So we need to see whether laptop is there in the cart. So for that we use in method. Okay, so in method is used to search whether the laptop is there in the list. So if laptop in cart, print of laptop is available. So in is used to identify whether particular item is existing or not. Next is we are going to find the duplicate quantity. So for that we use count method. So if we are printing the mouse quantity, so cart dot count of mouse. So immediately what will happen? It will count how many mouse are there in the list. Okay, so this is very simple. So count will tell you how many times the value will appear. So it's perfect for the product quantity tracking. So it will say two mouse. Similarly, organize the cart. Now we need to sort it. What this cart dot sort of method will do is, it will arrange the list in the alphabetical order. So headphones H, then K, then L, and M. So like this in alphabetical order, it will get arranged. Next is extract and reverse. So first three equal to, this is where we go in for slicing method. Okay, so here if I want to extract the first three elements or items alone, if I wanted to take, what will I do is, I just give like cart of, inside the square brackets, colon 3. So what it will do is, it will take the first three items from the list. Clear? So that is what this is doing. For example, if I have apple and I have mango and I have orange. Okay, so I want only the, so this is inside the list. Okay, separated by commas, and each and every element inside the inverted commas. Okay, now I need only the first two items. So what should I do? I need to say inside the square brackets colon 2. So when I give, only my apple and mango will be given in my output. Clear? Next, cart dot reverse of method. Now what reverse of method will do? It will just print opposite. So orange, mango, and then apple. So it will print like that. Okay, it changes the order from front to back. Okay. Next is pop the last item. So removed item equal to cart dot pop off. Now what this pop will, I told you, it will show you the removed item I told you. So now our removed item was mouse. Correct? So mouse will get printed in my output. Clear? So it will remove the item. Pop, what it will do? First it will remove items, and then it will gives the removed item back to us. Okay, when I give remove method, it will just remove the value, but it will not return anything. But pop will return the value that was removed. Clear? So this is the final challenge where you are going to solve. So you are also given a cart of items, list of items given to you. So the laptop, mouse, keyboard, headphones, and mouse again. So you need to add the webcam, you need to insert the USB cable at position 2, you need to remove one mouse from the cart, check if the laptop exists, count how many mouses are there, sort the cart, store the first 3 items, reverse the cart, pop the last item, and you're going to print the final cart and its length. Okay, so what did we learn so far? First thing is we saw about how to add the elements to the list. Okay, so for that was append and insert, and I already told you the difference between append and insert. Append will add to the end of the list, and insert will the exact position. Okay, and search will use in method to search whether a particular laptop or any element is available in the list. Organize will use sort method to arrange the items in alphabetical order, and reverse, it will reverse the item from front to back. And remove method will remove the item from the list, just remove. Pop will remove and return the item. Analyze will count method, and len method we used. So count is how many times mouse was occurring in the list. Len is identifying the length of the list. Extract, so we also extracted some elements from the list, correct? So using slicing method, I told you. So first 3 items will be extracted. So that's how this goes. Okay, so in one particular challenge we covered totally I think almost we covered some of the methods. Okay, and also we saw the difference between each and every method. Hope this was very useful. If you have further doubts, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.